Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to this video on the overview of Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronics platform that can be used to create a wide range of electronic projects. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is a small computer that you can program to interact with the physical world. It consists of a microcontroller, which is a small chip that acts as the brain of the system, and a development board, which is a circuit board that contains input and output pins for connecting various sensors, actuators, and other components. Why use Arduino? Arduino is an excellent platform for learning electronics and programming. It is easy to use and inexpensive, making it accessible to beginners and experts alike. It is also highly versatile, allowing you to create a wide range of projects, from simple blinking LEDs to complex robots and automation systems. Key features of Arduino. One of the key features of Arduino is its open source nature, which means that the hardware and software specifications are freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. Arduino also has a large community of developers and enthusiasts who contribute to the platform by creating libraries, tutorials, and other resources. Getting started with Arduino. To get started with Arduino, you will need to download the Arduino software and install it on your computer. You will also need an Arduino board, which can be purchased online or from electronics stores. Once you have the software and hardware set up, you can start programming your Arduino board using a simple and intuitive programming language called Arduino C, C++. Conclusion. In conclusion, Arduino is a versatile and accessible platform for learning electronics and programming. Its open source nature and large community make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to get started with electronics and create their own projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this overview of Arduino has been helpful. Thanks for watching.